So your house has some wind damage and you're thinking about contacting the insurance company first and just really not sure if you need to file that claim or not and go through insurance. Well, some recent changes in the last couple of years in regards to claims with your HO3 policy might make you want to second guess going through insurance to repair those shingles on top of your roof and or that fence, etc. Because previously they indicated that you file a claim, you don't get dinged, or you have a claim on your record that will adjust your insurance rates later on. But that has since changed in the following years, going back to 2021. Now, you will potentially have an increased rate because of that claim. So, what does that mean? Do you want to go ahead and file a claim for those roof shingles? Does that make sense? Or are you just going to do a patch? High winds cause problematic things for roofs, but the biggest thing you can do is make sure you know all the facts before you file the claim based on what the roofer or anyone else recommends.